Hello. In this video, we are going to start by setting up the inputs for our program. So our program is going to calculate the volume of a cylinder given the radius and the height. Now at this stage of our development, I like to think about a program in three stages. We have our input, we have our process, and we have our output. If you think about it in this sense, it really helps you kind of break down what you need to do. In this video, we're just going to deal with the input. So if this program is trying to find the volume of a cylinder given the radius and the height, the input that we need to take from the user is the radius and the height. So to do this, we just say, we make a variable. So we're going to set an assignment statement. So r is equal to, and in Python 3, we can just say input, what is the radius? And then we're going to say h is equal to input, what is the height? And if we save this now, and we go back to our terminal, let's clear this. I can do Python 3 cylinder vol console.py, and it says here's the program running. This program calculates the volume of a cylinder given radius and height. So what is the radius? 2. What is the height? 3. And that's all the program does right now. Now, just to help us, because sometimes I like to do this as I'm, or encourage newer programmers to do this, print and program. This helps you just be sure your programs hit the end and you haven't run into some infinite loop or something like that. Let's save that. Let's come back here, Python 3. Actually, I can just do this quickly by pressing up. 3, 2, and there we go. Okay. So we've done what I want to do. I've taken my inputs, and in the next video we'll look at how to process those. And when we do this, we're going to have to go back and we're going to have to play around with those inputs, and I'll leave you to think on that before we process them. Now, like I said, before I leave, let's just send this up to GitHub. So we're going to say git add dot, and that's going to, actually let's go as git status. So this tells us the status of the Git site. It says, listen, this file is different than what's on the master branch on GitHub. So if I say git add dot, I say git commit m, and I'm going to say this is process or input. So this is basically the input that we took. So we add it, we commit it, then we say git push, and then we push it. And once we've pushed it, that now pushes that work up onto GitHub. I hope this video helped. Have a wonderful day.